Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deepti. In today's video I'm going to show you two ways of shortcuts for eyeshadows. So this way of doing eyeshadow I'm trying for so long and the end result is amazing. So keep on watching. I'm going to show you two ways of cleaning up your eye makeup with the help of eye brushes. These brushes help in cleaning eye makeup so well, it makes it more crisp and precise. So this is the one by Vega and the other one is by ProArt. Both are super foldable and thin, does the job perfectly. And I'm going to show you each on both the sides. You can see the softness around the eye. On the first side, first way I'm going to show you with the help of micellar water. Take some micellar water on your hand and dip your brush in it. Just coat your brush with the micellar water evenly. Now following the lower lash line, cut your eyeshadow diagonally. You will immediately see the difference. Now I'll show you how to do on the other eye. Now on to the next eye, I'm going to take my concealer. You can take any concealer. I'm using Swiss Beauty here. Taking some concealer and dipping my brush in that and doing the same as I did with the previous eye. Same way of showcasing the way of cutting the eyeshadow. You can see how crisp this looks. Personally, I love this way more than the previous one as it shows the color so opaque. You can see the difference in both the ways and let me know which way you like the most. I hope you have liked this technique. Do follow and subscribe for more videos. I'll see you in the next brand new one. Bye.